Want to see something cool? I love magnets and it's easy to see why. They're attractive, fun to play with, filled with energy that borders on magic, and bipolar as hell with at least one genuinely repulsive property.
That's my whole love life right there.
So let's learn some things and get a grasp of the fundamentals. Magnets radiate lines of flux. These lines never cross and they never break. These form the field around the magnet, and it goes on for varying values of forever in accordance with the inverse square or cube law depending on your particulars. This means the attraction drops with the square of the distance, which is physics for saying if you can't be with the one you love, love the one you're with. The lines of flux emerge from the north pole of the magnet and return into the south pole. Remember that, you're gonna need it in upcoming videos.
And now it's time for a breakdown.
And this is where we have the problem with magnets. Just breathe through it, it's gonna hurt. A long time ago, before the wind, before the snow, someone whose name has rightfully been forgotten did half a thing. If I could find his name, it would be scribed upon the hallowed halls of bathroom stalls in derogatory remembrance until the end of time. Comment if you have any luck on finding out who did this. Because this twat decided if you let a magnet spin freely, the pole that wants to point towards the Earth's north is the north pole of the magnet. This tells us two things. That the Dunning-Kruger effect is as old as the hills, and whoever the daft bint is that named the poles of magnets only owned one. Since we named the north-seeking pole of magnets after the cardinal direction, that gets precedence, and it means that we've actually named every single magnet wrong since then. Because as a great physicist Paula Abdul taught us, they come together because opposites attract. Also, if you stand at one of the Earth's magnetic poles, your magnet will point straight down. You have my absolute support to use that fun bit of science trivia to settle arguments and win bets as appropriate. And that's pretty cool.